Hello friends, in this video I gonna to show you how to create do not touch poster in MS Word. So firstly click on insert, make here and change the size, then insert symbols, again click on symbols, more symbols, font select, this one, subset select this last one, extend characters plan 1, type this character code. Now type this character code 1F44B, then click on insert, close it, make it in center. Now insert shapes, select this not allowed symbol and draw that symbol here. Change the size, change color, you can change direction, then you can type your text do not touch. So like this guys, you can create do not touch poster in MS Word. Thanks for watching.